Welcome back to Tech Mania. Today we're putting the SteelSeries Apex 3 RGB Gaming Keyboard under the spotlight, a whisper-quiet, water-resistant board that brings vibrant lighting and pro-grade comfort to your setup. Right away, you'll notice the 10-zone RGB illumination, which lets you customize individual sections with millions of colors and dynamic effects. Whether you want a subtle glow for late-night work or a full rainbow wave for your next gaming session, the Apex 3 RGB has you covered. But it's not just about looks. This keyboard is IP32 water resistant, so you can game without fear of spills or dust infiltrating the internals. The whisper-quiet gaming switches deliver smooth, tactile feedback with virtually no audible click, keeping your focus locked in and your teammates undisturbed. Comfort is another highlight. SteelSeries includes a premium magnetic wrist rest that snaps into place and provides soft, ergonomic support for marathon play or typing marathons. The durable chassis and reinforced frame ensure the keyboard stands up to daily use, and the easy-access media controls let you adjust volume, mic mute, and lighting on the fly. Setup is plug-and-play on Windows, Mac, or Linux, and SteelSeries Engine software lets you save profiles, program macros, and sync lighting with other SteelSeries gear. If you're in the market for an affordable, feature-packed keyboard that looks great, feels comfortable, and stands up to spills, the Apex 3 RGB, renewed, is a terrific choice. Get yours now.